Good morning and welcome you all, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you the second part of the enemy. So in first part I have already told you about Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao, who was an eminent surgeon and scientist also. He was a Japanese surgeon and scientist, and he had spent 8 valuable years of his youth in America to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine there. And when he returned back from America to his hometown, it was Japan, then he became a reputed surgeon. So, dear students, now he was living happily with his wife Hannah and 2 kids. So, one day he saw that something was crawling, and when they reached there, they found it was an American. So, what to do in that case? Will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? There was dilemma in his mind. What should he do? Whether he should save the life of that person who was an enemy, whose condition was critical, or he should be loyal towards his nation, he should throw the man back. So, what should he do? He couldn't understand. Finally, he decided to give shelter to that person. So Dr. Sadao knew that they would be arrested. He and his wife, they would be arrested if they sheltered a white man. अगर वो वाइट मैन अमेरिकन मैन को शेल्टर देते हैं तो देशद्रोह के चार्ज में उनको अरेस्ट किया जाएगा. द वुंडेड मैन वॉज ए प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर. और जो वुंडेड मैन था जिसकी कंडीशन ख़राब थी, इस कंडीशन वॉज क्रिटिकल, ही वॉज ए प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर हु हैड एस्केप्ड विद ए बुलेट ऑन हिज बैक सिंस जापान वॉज एट वॉर विद अमेरिका. वॉर वॉज गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन जापान एंड अमेरिका. उस समय जापान और अमेरिका के बीच में वॉर छिड़ी हुई थी. And that wounded person was a prisoner of war. So Japan was at war with America. Harboring an enemy meant being a traitor to Japan. अगर किसी व्यक्ति को बचाते हैं जो एनिमी है तो ये एक देशद्रोही का मामला जो है उस पर लगेगा और एंड दे वुड बी अरेस्टेड बीइंग ए ट्रेटर टू जापान. डॉक्टर सदाओ कुड बी अरेस्टेड इफ एनीवन कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट हिम एक्यूज्ड हिम ऑफ हार्बरिंग एन एनिमी. अगर डॉक्टर सदाओ की कोई भी कंप्लेंट पहुंच गई तो ऑब्वियसली जो है उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया जाएगा. अब इस केस में क्या किया जाए? ही कुडंट डिसाइड. अर्लियर दे डिडंट वांट टू सेव द पर्सन. पहले इनके मन में आया कि इस व्यक्ति को उसके हाल पे छोड़ दें. लेट हिम लिव ऑन द मर्सी ऑफ हिज फेट, ऑन द मर्सी ऑफ गॉड. लेट हिम थ्रो बैक इनटू द सी. बट डॉक्टर सदाओ, he decided to save the person. Being a surgeon, it was his first and foremost obligation to save the life of any person, whether he is his friend or enemy, whether he is from his own country or another country. So first of all, he gave him first aid. He tried his best effort to stop the bleeding. So what did he do? The sea moss that strewed the beach, and the man, wounded person, he was moaning with pain in his stupor, but he did not awaken. He was in unconscious state. So first of all, Dr. Sadao put him back in the. Then he tried to stop the bleeding. Bleeding was stopped for the moment. He stood up, dusted the sand from his hand. Yes, undoubtedly that would be best, Hannah said. She continued to stare down at the motionless man. If we sheltered a white man in our house, we should be arrested. If we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. अब डॉक्टर सदाओ कहते हैं कि अगर हमने उस व्यक्ति को अपने यहाँ शेल्टर दी तो हम अरेस्ट कर लिए जाएंगे. सी द लाइन्स. इफ़ वी शेल्टर्ड ए वाइट मैन इन आवर हाउस वी वुड बी अरेस्टेड. और उस व्यक्ति को अगर हमने छोड़ दिया तो वो व्यक्ति मर जाएगा. ही वुड डाई. द काइंडेस्ट थिंग वुड बी पुट हिम बैक. उसके बाद उनके मन में आया कि इसको वापस डाल दें इनटू द सी. Hannah said. Neither of them moved, they staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. Inert figure, the person who was lying almost lifeless. What is he? Hannah whispered. There is something about him that looks American. When they saw him, so they took up the battered cap. उन्होंने उसकी battered cap को उठा के देखा. Then they found that US Navy was written on his cap. So an American warship, he spelled it out. He was a sailor, a prisoner of war. US Navy was written. Now it was clear he was an American. I have already told you in my first part. So what to do? Finally, Dr. Sadao decided to give shelter to that person. But the problem is servants. The servants, Sadao inquired, they were orthodox and traditional. So they didn't accept that their master would save the life of an enemy. We must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police. डॉक्टर सदाओ ने कहा हम सर्वेंट्स को ये कह देंगे कि हम उसको जो है पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देंगे जब वो ठीक हो जाएगा. नाउ ही इज़ अनकॉन्शियस. एज इंडीड वी मस्ट सदाओ वी मस्ट थिंक ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन एंड योर पोजीशन. इट वुड एंडेंजर ऑल ऑफ अस. सबके लिए प्रॉब्लम थी. एंड डॉक्टर सदाओ वॉज टेकिंग रिस्क ऑफ हिज ओन लाइफ, हिज ओन करियर, पोजीशन एंड हिज फैमिली. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. Certainly, Sadao agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. Thus agreed. Together they lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl. ज़्यादा वेट नहीं था उसका. He was light weighted. So, Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah lifted him. हाफ स्टार फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. ऐसा लग रहा था कि कितने समय से वो भूखा होगा. एंड अनटिल इट इज़ ओनली feathers and skeletons. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage. Down the passage they carried the man towards the empty bedroom. उसको एक एम्प्टी बेडरूम में लेके आए. इट हैड बीन द बेडरूम ऑफ सदाउस फादर. ये सदाओ के फादर का बेडरूम था. सिंस हिज डेथ इट हैड नॉट बीन यूज्ड. दे लेड द मैन ऑन द डीपली मैटेड फ्लोर. एवरीथिंग हियर हैड बीन जापनीज टू प्लीज द ओल्ड मैन. Man would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Hannah bent to the wall, covered, slid back a door, took out a soft quilt. Hannah ने एक रजाई निकाली, क्विल्ट, जो सॉफ्ट और सिल्क की थी. शी हेजिटेटेड. क्विल्ट वॉज कवर्ड विथ फ्लावर्ड सिल्क एंड द लाइनिंग वॉज प्योर वाइट सिल्क. He is so dirty, she murmured in distress. Yes, he had better, he washed. Sadao agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. डॉक्टर सदाओ ने कहा कि सबसे पहले तो इसको वॉश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो ही आस्क्ड हिज वाइफ टू ब्रिंग हॉट वाटर. I can't bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he is here. I will tell Yumi. Yumi was servant. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him. Sadao considered a moment. Let it be so, he agreed. You tell Yumi and I will tell the others. But the utter pallor of man's unconscious face moved him. First to stoop, feel his pulse. It was faint. उसकी पल्स जो है फेंट हो रही थी, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. He will die unless he is operated on. डॉक्टर सदाओ ने कहा कि अगर तुरंत ऑपरेशन नहीं किया गया तो ये व्यक्ति श्योरली इसकी डेथ हो जाएगी. द क्वेश्चन इज वेदर ही विल नॉट डाई एनी वे. हाना क्राइड आउट इन फियर. डोंट ट्राई टू सेव हिम. वॉट इफ ही शुड लिव. अब उसको बचाना और उसके शेल्टर देना और उसके बाद वो व्यक्ति अगर बच जाता है तो ये बहुत बड़ी रिस्क है. वॉट इफ ही शुड डाई. सदाओ रिप्लाइड. ही शुड गेजिंग down on the motionless man. This man must have extraordinary vitality or he would have been dead by now. Then he was very young, perhaps not yet 25. You mean die from the operation? Hana asked. Yes. Sadao said. Hana considered this doubtfully. When she didn't answer, Sadao turned away. At any rate, something must be done with him, he said. And first he must be washed. He went quickly out of the room. Hana came behind him. She didn't wish to be left alone with the white man. He was the first she had seen since she left America. Now he seemed to have nothing to do with those whom she had known there. Here he was her enemy. Man is living or dead. Living है या dead है, लेकिन उनका enemy है. She turned to the nursery and called Yumi. उसने यूमी को बुलाया. Children heard her voice. She had to go in for a moment, smile at them, play with the baby boy, now nearly 3 months old. Over the baby's soft black hair, she motioned with her mouth. Yumi, come with me. I will put the baby to bed. Yumi was caretaker and she used to look after the kids. Yumi replied, he is ready. She went with Yumi into the bedroom next to the nursery, stood with the boy in her arms, while Yumi spread the sleeping quilts on the floor. On the floor laid the baby between them. Hana led the way quickly, softly to the kitchen. And when she asked Yumi to bring hot water for washing the person, but Yumi refused. Yumi refused to do so. Hana led the way quickly, softly to the kitchen. 2 servants were frightened. Domestic servants, they were frightened at what their master had just told them. They didn't like the idea that their master would save the enemy. The old gardener, who was also a house servant, pulled the few hair on his upper lip. Master ought not to heal the wound of this white man. गार्डनर कहता है कि हमारे मास्टर को इस वाइट मैन को नहीं बचाना चाहिए. ही सेड ब्लंटली टू हाना, वाइट मैन ऑट टू डाई. और इस व्यक्ति को मर जाना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ही वॉज शॉट. गार्डनर का कहना है कि सबसे पहले तो उसको गोली लगी. दैन द सी कॉट हिम, और उसके बाद समुद्र की रॉक से टकराता रहा, लेकिन वो नहीं मरा. wounded him with rocks. If the master heals, what the gun did? गन ने इस व्यक्ति को मारने की कोशिश की, सी ने इसको मारने की कोशिश की, रॉक्स ने इसको मारने की कोशिश की, लेकिन ये बच गया. अब अगर हमारे मास्टर इसको बचाने का प्रयास करेंगे, what the gun and sea did, they will take revenge on us. I will tell him what you say, Hannah replied, showing courtesy. She herself was also frightened, although she was not superstitious. As the old man was, Gardner was superstitious, and Hannah was not superstitious. Could it ever be well to help an enemy? क्या enemy को बचाना चाहिए? Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water, bring it to the room where the white man was. Yumi, following, put down the wooden bucket. She bent over to the white man. She saw him. Her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. I have never washed a white man, she said. I will not wash so dirty one now. So Yumi refused. So all domestic servants, they refused. The gardener and cook were frightened that their master was going to heal the wound of a white man, an enemy. गार्डनर को, कुक को लगा, और यूमी, जितने भी डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट्स हैं, उनको लगा कि हमारे मास्टर यानी कि डॉक्टर सदाओ एक अमेरिकन को बचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं जो उनका एनिमी है. They felt that after being killed, the white men will take revenge on the Japanese. Yumi, the maid servant, she was also frightened. She refused to wash the white man. Hannah rebuked the maid who had refuses to wash a wounded helpless man. Then she dipped a small clean towel into the steaming hot water, washed the white man's face. अब उन जो डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट्स हैं उन्होंने they reluctant, they didn't want that their master would save the life of wounded man, जो व्यक्ति उनका एनिमी है. Hannah, she was not willing to wash the man. She hesitated. थोड़ा सा वो हेजिटेट कर रही थी. She was hesitating. First thing, he was a stranger. पहली चीज़ तो वो स्ट्रेंजर था, और दूसरा वो एक मैन है. He was a man. तो Hannah was hesitating. So when Yumi refused to wash the man, then finally Hannah agreed to wash the man herself. She dipped a small clean towel. उसने स्टीमिंग हॉट वाटर में एक टॉवल को डिप किया. वॉश द वाइट मैन्स फेस. शी kept on washing him until his upper body was quite clean. But she dared not turn him over. अब हाना को लगा कि उस डॉक्टर सदाओ उसको बचाने का पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं. He was trying his best effort to save the life of that man. So she was ready to do so. Now see, what will Dr. Sadao and his wife do with the man? I will tell you कि डॉक्टर सदाओ और उनकी वाइफ ने क्या किया. Dr. Sadao and his wife Hannah had told the servants they only wanted to bring the man to his senses so that they could turn him over as a prisoner. उन्होंने समझाने का प्रयास किया कि हम इस व्यक्ति को सिर्फ होश में लाना चाहते हैं, और जब ये होश में आ जाएगा उसके बाद हम इसको पुलिस के हवाले कर देंगे. They knew that best possible course under the circumstances was to put him back into the sea. Dr. Sadao was against handing over a wounded man to the police. He dreaded to carry him into his house, operated upon him, extracted the bullet from his body, and kept the white man in his house. He and his wife looked after him, fed him till he was strong enough to walk on his legs. So in this part, dear students, Dr. Sadao and Hannah, they tried their best effort to save the life of that person. Though domestic servants refused to help, they revolted. इमेजिन करिए अगर डोमेस्टिक सर्वेंट जाके कंप्लेंट कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, व्हाट वुड हैपन. डॉक्टर सदाओ वुड बी अरेस्टेड इन चार्ज ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग एन एनिमी, गिविंग शेल्टर एंड सेविंग हिज लाइफ, एंड इक्वली हाना वुड बी अरेस्टेड विद हिम बिकॉज शी वॉज ऑल्सो द पार्टनर ऑफ डॉक्टर सदाओ. So they were taking risk of their life, their career, position. डॉक्टर सदाओ अपनी करियर, अपनी पोजीशन, अपनी फैमिली, अपनी लाइफ सबको जो है दांव पे लगा के टेकिंग रिस्क उस व्यक्ति को बचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. My question is, will Dr. Sadao be arrested on the charge of harboring an enemy? अगर आप डॉक्टर सदाओ की जगह होते तो आप क्या करते? क्या डॉक्टर सदाओ को एक एनिमी की जान बचाने के लिए अरेस्ट किया जाना चाहिए? इट वॉज द, आई विल टेल यू इन माई नेक्स्ट पार्ट दैट डॉक्टर सदाओ, he operated the young white man and he saved his life, but his own life was at risk. उनका अपना जीवन खतरे में है. Because he showed his loyalty towards his profession. Being a doctor, it was his first and foremost obligation to save the life of the person. उस व्यक्ति का जीवन बचाना ये उनका एक नैतिक कर्तव्य था, एक मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन. So he was trying his best effort to save the life of that person. So just students, you have to keep watching my videos. Rest of the portion I will explain you in the third part of the video. And just to mention your views, comment, compliment in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel so that we can get motivation from you, my dear students. Thank you.